Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine at your home. So today we are going to discuss about environmental club in this video. So for environmental club you have to make a separate notebook, and that notebook will be as same as of your science notebook. Means one side of the paper will be plain and the other side of the paper will be ruled, right? And whatever diagrams or pictures or I will ask you to draw, that you will do it on the plain side, and the written work you will do it on the ruled side, right? Now the topic for environmental club for this week is air pollution. And to know about air pollution, you should first know what is pollution. So what is pollution? Addition of harmful substances in the environment is called pollution. So when different harmful substances is added in the atmosphere, like your smoke, then garbage, etc., whatever different types of harmful things get added in air, water, then it is known as pollution. Now types of pollution, there are four types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land or soil pollution, noise pollution. In this video we are going to discuss only about the air pollution, and this is the main topic for environmental club for this week only, right? Now what is air pollution? Addition of harmful substances like smoke, gases, etc. in the atmosphere is called air pollution, right? That means when harmful things mixes with the atmosphere or with the air, it makes the air impure. So that is known as air pollution. Now sources and causes of air pollution. So there are different sources which causes the air pollution, like smoke coming out from vehicles, factories, industries, etc., bursting of crackers. You might have seen during Diwali, the people burst a lot of crackers, which causes or which produces lot of smoke, harmful smoke. And when that smoke mixes with the air, it causes air pollution. Next is burning garbage. When we burn the garbage, then also smoke is produced which mixes with the air. Forest fire. Forest fire means sometimes during summer season, due to too heat, uh, sometimes fire takes place in the forest. Means the plants, the trees, they starts burning. So during that also, forest fire also, lot of smoke mixes with the air, causing the air pollution. Deforestation. During deforestation means cutting down of the trees, and we all know that trees purify the air. How? They take in carbon dioxide and give oxygen. So if there will be cutting down of the trees, then pollution will be more, right? Now the next is how it can be prevented, how we can reduce the air pollution. So there are different ways or different things are there which we can do. Few points I am going to discuss here, like by growing more plants, by not bursting crackers, by not burning garbage, etc., right? So by this we can prevent the um, air pollution. Now I'm going to show you some pictures, like see here, you can see in this picture that smoke is coming out of from the factories, then aeroplane is there through in which also releasing the air, smoke in the atmosphere, cutting down of the trees, the vehicles, they also releases harmful gases. So these all gases mixes with the atmosphere. The smoke coming out from the factories, from the industries, then burning of the garbage. See, you can see a lot of smoke is coming out. Then oil refineries which are present near the water bodies, vehicles, they also produces, when too much vehicles are running on the road, it produces lot of smoke. So these all are the different sources by which the air pollution is caused. Now your work. So what is your homework? Question number 1, you have to draw and color one scene causing air pollution, including all sources of the air pollution that cause or do air pollution. Means like this only, not exactly this one. Means like this, you will make a picture, a beautiful picture on the plain side of your notebook, in which different sources should be shown in that, and you will do it nicely. आप उसमें पूरे sources को show करोगे which causes air pollution. Second is, write any 5 to 10 different ways by which you can reduce pollution. As few ways I have discussed here, so like that you have to write 5 to 10 other different ways by which you can reduce pollution. And third is, an activity is there which you will do it, and it is very a simple activity. And what it is to make a pollution catcher out of Vaseline and paper plate to check air pollution around your homes by doing this activity. So this is the question. And what is that activity? You will take a paper plate and you will apply Vaseline over it. आप पेपर प्लेट लेकर, आपने अगर एक पेपर प्लेट लिया है तो उसके ऊपर आपने पूरे को क्या करना, कवर कर देना है वैसलीन से, एंड हैंग इट आउटसाइड द गेट. इसे होल कर लेना एंड टाई वन थ्रेड हियर, एंड इस थ्रेड से इसको आप अपने घर के गेट के बाहर हैंग कर दो, राइट, फॉर 2 to 3 days or more days also you can do it. Then observe, after 2 to 3 days, observe the color of the Vaseline, coated plate and sticky pollutants. What you will observe after 2 to 3 days, when you will take out this one, you will find कि उस पूरे वैसलीन पर एक स्टिकी सा डस्टी मटेरियल appear हो जाएगा. So that is actually showing that from where that dusty particles or that impurities have come, from the atmosphere only. So it shows the air pollution in the atmosphere. And then you have to write your observation in your environmental notebook. Means you will write the question, you will write the question, and then after 2 to 3 days you will write your observation in your notebook. And these all things you will do it beautifully in your notebook. You can decorate it properly, okay, and you will make your notebook neat and clean by giving all information asked in these questions, right? Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.